Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in and start using Gemini AI in 2025. So whether you are new to AI or just switching from ChatGPT, this guide will get you set up in just a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for Gemini AI. Now, once you have searched for it, you will find the first link from gemini.google.com. So you need to just click on it. Once this step is done, it will automatically redirect you on your Gemini account. If you have already signed up with your Google account here, you don't need to actually provide any of other information here. It will automatically log in you in your account. Now, you can choose a plan or you can stick to the free one. So in order to upgrade the plan, simply click on the upgrade option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and from here you will see the discounts where you are going to get it for $0 for 1 month. So if you want to get this offer, simply click on the get offer option in the bottom and provide your banking details and conclude your payment. You can also continue with the free version of Gemini AI, or if you like, you can upgrade it to the advanced because it is free for the first month. Now you can start using Gemini AI absolutely for free. For that, you need to hover over to these three lines in the left hand section and click on the new chat option. The new chat dashboard will look something like this, where in the top you will see Gemini and its versions. Now over here you need to type the prompt that you want it to create the response for. For example, if you want to create a LinkedIn posts about productivity tips, you can type a prompt like write a LinkedIn post about productivity tips, and then you need to press enter. If you are using Gmail, Docs, or Sheets, you may also see Gemini tools integrated right in your workspace under Help Me Write or the AI suggestions option. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.